So if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. If you're seeing this on TikTok, it is located in my IG bio. So how did I make $46.50 just trading a single SPY call option? So basically I got into one SPY call option on February 6th at 14.56. So So basically this candle right here, so as soon as I saw that SPY broke this support level of 604, I was just aiming to see if I could catch SPY when it would land near the 180 or 200-day moving average. And so basically that didn't happen, right? But what did happen is that once I saw that, okay, SPY is at this support level once again at 604, right? I'm just gonna buy a single call option and just wait to see if, throughout the day, can SPY retest that what is it, the 9 or 20-day moving average, right? And so when I sold out the position that same day, I made a gain of $46.50. So basically at 1541 I sold out the position. 1541 this candle. So basically this candle, so basically like I said, right, I was just waiting for that retest of that 9 and 20-day moving average, right? Me playing it on the safe side, right, I just wanted for SPY to touch the 9 or 20-day moving average when SPY started going up. And basically that was my exit out the trade essentially. So and basically when I try to trade SPY or really any other stock in the stock market, I try to trade most of these stocks on the 30-minute time chart. The reason I say that I trade most of my stocks on the 30-minute time chart is because, for one, I feel like I've seen most of my success on the 30-minute time chart. I've tried doing it on the on the 10, on the 5, on the 1 hour, and plus on the 4-hour chart. I did like goals, not really goals, but like long-term, I guess you could say long-term testing with those time intervals. I guess that's what you call them. Yeah, I basically didn't see much success with those times. So the best time that I like using to trade, whether it be for long, short, whether it be day trading, swing trading, etc., right? I basically like to use the 30-minute time chart to, plan out my trades. I've tried trading the other, time intervals, and I've seen no success from them. Probably the second time interval that was sort of successful but not really was the 1 hour chart. I did see a little bit of success when I was testing out the 1 hour time interval, but at the same time, I feel like when I was using that time interval, it was kind of knocking me out of my positions. Like, it was knocking me out of my zone. So like basically when I would have this trade in my head, right, and I would be like, okay, so the 1 hour is doing its thing, right, like on the chart. But when I would look at it throughout the day, I'd be like, wait, why did it do that all of a sudden? Or it would just ruin my personal trading plan throughout the day, whether it be like swing or long-term trading. And so essentially I was just like, okay, I'm gonna try the 30-minute time chart. Let's see how successful that is. And basically within, I want to say at least maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I want to say probably the first week is when I started seeing, okay, I guess the 30-minute time chart is pretty good, because when I was doing the other time intervals, it wasn't that successful. It took mostly maybe like a week and a half, or 2 weeks or 3 weeks for me to start seeing like gains in a way. Or like sometimes I wouldn't see gains until like a month later, because like I said, right, I would see like, okay, it's not, following my game plan in a way. So I'm like, what do I do? What am I doing wrong, right? So that's when I finally was like, okay, let's see if the 30-minute time chart is successful, right? And if it's not, then I'll have to try to, test out those other time intervals again, and try to choose one that's gonna, make me, I guess, money, right, and make me profitable in a way. But I'm obviously gonna have to tweak my strategy somehow. I just don't know how though, right? But this chart, the 30-minute time chart, I feel like personally it's the best time chart to trade on. I've been using it ever since. I haven't really changed the game plan at all. So if you're looking for a time chart to trade on, right, I would suggest the 30-minute time chart. Honestly, I wouldn't suggest any other time charts for me personally, because like I said, it wasn't successful. I was struggling to see my gains in a way, and until finally I was like, okay, let's see how the 30-minute time chart plays out. And I tried trading the 30-minute time chart. I gave it even those other time intervals, I gave them like at least 2 months. And in those 2 months, when I was like testing out those, my strategy with those time charts, right, it wasn't really successful. Unlike with the 30-minute time chart, I started seeing results within the first week, and I was like, what? I guess, I don't know. It's just kind of weird that the 30-minute time chart was a little bit more successful than the other time charts in a way. So basically try to, also level out your levels of support. That also helps really. So when you want to get into a position, so try to level out your levels of support and resistance, right? Right now, for me personally, it looks like SPY is approaching the resistance level of 610 through 608. So basically, I'm gonna see, and I'm gonna try to buy a couple of SPY options tomorrow. And like I said, right, I want to learn how to trade, put options, but at the same time, I don't feel really comfortable trading put options. So I'll see what I can do tomorrow with SPY. Maybe I might trade SPY, I might not. I'll honestly have to wait and see, honestly. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, if you guys want to learn how to trade options, I have my ebook available at worldly41.gumroad.com, along with my one-to-one vendors for AirPod Max, AirPod vendors, my cologne vendors. And if you're looking to order directly from me, you can order directly from me at worldresells.bigcartel.com. I have the AirPods, AirPod Maxes, Dyson hair dryers, cologne, etc. And then if you want to sign up with Webull, you can sign up with my Webull link located in the description below. And once you sign up with Webull and deposit $100 or more into your brokerage account, Webull will give you 20 free fractional shares. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care. And as always, this is not financial advice. As always, take care. Bye.